Well, I saw your question in the email, and you basically, why did they go from here to here? That's a good question. I don't understand either. You know, the 1 over square root 3 is certainly the same thing as square root 3 over 3. So why did it go in here? Maybe you typed it in that way. This may be, maybe, did you type that in and then they replaced it with that? I mean, these things are equal. They're both the same, both correct. But if you have it in this form, then you do not need to do this. And so yeah, it doesn't make sense to go from here to here. I'm almost wondering if you type those two values in. And of course, this is same value. So from here, so you don't have to jump down to here. It's kind of going backwards, really. What would you do from here? You just need to simplify it. You need to clear out, it's a complex fraction. You need to clear these 3's out. So you need to multiply bottom and top by 3 to clear out. So you multiply this term by 3 and this term by 3, and multiply each part by 3. 3 times this, and 3 times 1 would just be 3, and the 3's are going to drop out. And you need to do the same thing here. 3 times 1 is 3, and then 3 times this term. And the 3's drop out, leaving you with this. Well, you're not supposed to leave a radical in the denominator, and so you don't have to rationalize the denominator. And to rationalize a binomial with a radical in it, you got to multiply by what's called its conjugate. So you change this minus to a plus. And so you multiply these two, and that'll take care of the radical. Of course, you got to do it to the numerator, and then you need to simplify. So I've not finished it here. So you need to this problem. Need to finish it by multiplying these two binomials. But back to this. I mean, it is true. Square root 3 over 3 is equal to 1 over square root 3. But while going from here to here, you're kind of going backwards. So that doesn't make sense. Hope this helps.